Hi everyone, I'm Renae Kerrigan, Planetarium Director at the Peoria Riverfront Museum, back with another What's Up video and update on NASA's Perseverance rover and its little buddy, the drone helicopter Ingenuity. Ingenuity hitched a rise to Mars with Perseverance. It rode to Mars on the bottom of the Perseverance rover. In late March, Perseverance arrived at the airfield selected by NASA. The first step for getting Ingenuity ready to fly was to remove the debris shield on the bottom of Perseverance, and then for the little helicopter to rotate into position and extend its legs. On April 3rd, Ingenuity detached from the rover and touched down all 4 legs to the Martian surface. Perseverance drove away so Ingenuity could charge up its solar panels and later captured this excellent selfie with the helicopter in the background. Ingenuity took its first pictures, tested its blades, and proved that it could survive the frigid night temperatures without being attached to power from the rover. NASA's plan for Ingenuity is to attempt to up to 5 flights on Mars over the course of a month. The flight of Ingenuity is a high-risk, high-reward technology test for NASA. The atmosphere at the surface of Mars is less than 1% than that of Earth's. It will be very challenging to learn how to fly to the surface of Mars, but if we do, we'll have a whole new way to explore the red planet. This first flight on Mars of Ingenuity will be super exciting. It is akin to the first flight we had here on Earth with the Wright brothers flyer. And because of that, on Ingenuity, there's a little scrap of the fabric from that first airplane that has been taken to Mars. Another little piece of that fabric and a little splinter from the Wright flyer went to the moon with Apollo. So it's a historic flight of Ingenuity coming up, hopefully, this month. Thank you for tuning in. We'll be back next month with another update on NASA's Perseverance rover and hopefully to tell you about the successful flight of Ingenuity. And thank you, museum members and Visionary Society members, for supporting the Peoria Riverfront Museum.